T-Mobile's 5G Ultra Capacity offers super fast speeds, but connectivity problems can arise on both iPhones and Androids. The most common reasons for 5G UC not working include coverage limitations, device compatibility, software glitches, and incorrect settings. First, check if you're actually in a 5G UC area using T-Mobile's coverage map. Remember, 5G UC uses mmWave, which has short range and is easily blocked by buildings. Ensure your device supports 5G UC, iPhone 12 or newer, recent Android flagships like Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus or Google Pixel 8 Pro, and is running the latest software, iOS 17 Plus or Android 14 Plus. Basic troubleshooting steps include toggling airplane mode, restarting your device, and reseating your SIM card. T-Mobile also offers a self-diagnostic tool in their app to check 5G UC eligibility and suggest fixes. If problems persist after trying these fixes, you may need more advanced solutions. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, verify your access point name is correctly set to fast.tmobile.com for both iPhone and Android devices. On Android devices, manually set the preferred network type to 5G in your SIM card settings. Ensure your physical SIM supports 5G or update your eSIM with the latest T-Mobile profile. Update your carrier settings through Settings, General, About on iOS, or System Update on Android. Some users report success by disabling VPNs, which can interfere with 5G UC connections. On Android, enable enhanced 4x4 MIMO in developer settings for better signal handling. If all else fails, reset your network settings or perform a factory reset. Remember to keep your device and carrier settings up to date, as 5G UC is rapidly evolving.